What's up, guys? Good morning. Come on in, have a seat. Make yourself comfortable. Got your pen and paper. Ready to take some notes. What's up, Shelby? What's up, Brian? What's up, Mom? What's up, Antho? We'll start here, guys, in a little over 60 seconds. Yeah, contemplating blue. Nikkei's going to keep dropping. Japan's in trouble. And depending on how that carry trade goes, we may follow. What's up, Ryan? Guys, get those questions, tickers in the comment box. We'll get to them as soon as I get through the first few minutes of my report. It's Thursday. We'll start in about 40 seconds, folks. What's up, Corey? Between you and Andrew making all the money in my group. You got to save some money for the rest of us, bro. What's up, Darren? You guys that are over there in Dubai, you guys get any more missile alerts? All the bad behavior going on. All right, guys, let's get started. Good morning. Happy Thursday, 8/20. So this morning we had initial jobless claims drop. And where are they at here? Let's bring it over here where you guys can see it. Where's my initial jobless claims data? It was here. No idea where it went. But it was lower than expected. We know that. So markets reacted a little negatively to it, guys. All the markets are not all. It's turning right now since about 5 minutes after that data come out. We've lifted. We'll go over that in a second. The NIMO neutral. VIX is probably 15. Imagine that, 14.89. I know you can't see it. Instagram, that's right there, Instagram. So we can go either way, guys. But what I'm seeing, we are bearish bias. We are at this in the S&P 500. We're at 7,700. There might be a turn back down here. Our next sell exists right here at this line. So if we get a price lift and a drop through that key level, that'll be a primary read short on the bottom side of the box, which I like. Guys, if you've never seen it before, this is the algorithm that I run. It's called the Matrix. It's built on my education and experience. I don't know. Tell him Corey in the chat. Corey quit his job, his job, using this. He trades this, and yeah. What'd you tell me, Corey? You replaced your monthly income in the first 2 weeks? Can't make this shit up, guys. Can't make this shit up. But, I mean, like as an example, you can't see it here. This read paid, right? You would recognize the channel, stayed out, waited for the read. Bam, there it was. So we're looking for shorts there. And RTY, we're looking for shorts, although this next short signal will come heading into the box, which I like less, right? So you have to say, we're 6 points from the box. If I'm hunting a true 10, do I want to take 10 or 5? We talk about that because you get compressive buying against your short. I teach all this, guys. If this doesn't make sense to you, you come to my group to also learn. And the NAS only runs up, although I think the time to short it today is going to be right there in that level. All-time high anchored VWAP and daily VWAP. Unless we experience rollover. We're going to watch mid-frame fractals for momentum when this occurs. And this is the proprietary momentum box. There are people out there now trying to copy my system. Good fucking luck. You can trade crossovers all day, but you can't do it the way we do it. It's that simple. You don't have the education to disqualify like I do, and you don't have this. I could tell you exactly the 6 things that make this up, and you still can't create it because we changed the math. That's right. That's right. I've had people ask me, what's in that? I ain't fucking telling you. YM, mean reversion here, guys. So if you would have picked a price, a lot of times I would pick 100, so you'd be in. Be like a 90-point trade. You can wait for the mean reversion signal. So you had both for my guys. We had pick a price. If it hit, then we had momentum shift, or you can wait for mean reversion signal. So you have 2 of the 3 signals we look for in these boxes, and the matrix puts these psychological boxes in it. Do you guys, if you follow Nicholas Crown, he's a former Wall Streeter, puts out some good information. Ironically, I saw him do an entire video on why people get stopped out, and it has to do with this. Imagine a guy with that much Wall Street experience and a financial degree talking about something that I have a certification in also. Yeah. How many other internet trading gurus talk about this shit? They don't, because they don't know. Right. But it was cool. It was the first person I have seen that talks about it specifically. The hedge fund positioning. Gold, guys, mean reversion. I missed this. Corey caught it. I'm not even going to tell you my entry. My group, I'm not going to fucking tell you. I'll let you guess. It dropped down to 05.9. Where was my buy? Come on, VIPs, tell me. I missed this entry, so I canceled my order. I was going to run it to the VWAP, actually. I'd still be in this trade. Yep, exactly, Ryan. I missed it by 4 fucking cents. Gosh, damn it. I'm laughing because nope, it wasn't that close. It was 05. Ryan was right. I missed it by 40 cents. And 32, I would be up on 5 contracts. What is that? $6,000. I really didn't like. I didn't want to make $6,000 today. I really didn't. No, it wasn't that skinny. 05. My order was right where. My order was right. I'll show you. Right there. That's how close it came. Yeah. My calls are unbelievable, guys. They're unbelievable. But the rate at which I am personally missing is unbelievable, right? If you look at like the accuracy of the calls is still 75 to 80%, but my own entries right now in missing or getting wicked out is lower than that. It's what I get for being so damn successful through May and June. The percentage is coming back and going, you know what, you fucker, I got hold my beer. All right, guys, and oil. I'm really looking forward to paying $6 a gas with that fucking dumbass that's in office right now. Yeah, it's going to be exciting because when I fill up this weekend, it's going to be over $6. So, for you MAGA folks and what you voted for and what I voted for, if you ain't screaming from the hilltops, get that asshole out of here. There's something wrong with you. No new wars, my ass. All right, but anyway, yeah, I'd buy oil off of VWAP. I don't think this is going to change, especially going into the weekend. All right, if I hurt your feelings about Trump, just click the leave fucking button. I don't care. I'm a libertarian anyway. All right, let's get into your questions, guys, because that's why I'm here. I've been around for 4 years doing this for free, helping out the community. I do appreciate you guys that are not members sticking around and learning. And I appreciate all you members that come every time. So let's see what you got, YouTube. It's all Canadian. I should tell them it's all Canadian, alien tech from Mars. That's right, yeah. Good guesses, though, on my entry, guys. I mean, the point being is I barely missed. And then I got aggravated and pulled my order. Outland 3RS681, you remember three months ago, I found it hard to understand when you guys jumped in a trade. I'll be a member next month. Are there any tips to understand when you get an open trade and any advice? All right, so listen, Outlander. Ask any of my VIP. Go into my free Discord. All right. So listen, I can tell you, but I want you to go into my free Discord where some of my VIPs exist also and ask them. All right. Because they were in your shoes like you were 3 months ago. However, I have war room guides and videos that explain what you're looking at. And then I teach and I teach and I teach. It's just like learning a foreign language, right? I don't expect you to get it the first time, but if you ask any of these guys who have stuck it out and paid paid membership and paid in time to sit and learn, they're replacing income. So you can do it, Outlander. It's not impossible. It just takes time. And of course, when you're in the group, ask questions. I'm there to help. Chase, I had an order set at 4,500.5 and it came down okay. Yeah, you just missed too. Yeah, like there you go, Outlander. Ryan just commented. Ryan's been with me for a while. Super successful kid, man. I'm proud of Ryan. He stuck it out through thick and thin. And he's doing really good. Is gold sweat? Is gold to buy now or wait to? All right, so let's look at gold. So I'm going to look at XAU, right? Daily. Yeah, I mean it's. I've been all over this. So if you've watched my reels, I've been all over these buy entries on swings and the TA on it. Let me get down to the nitty gritty here. Let's zoom way in. So if you get a pull, like if you want to swing this and you're not in it, right? 4,400 most certainly, if we saw it, would be a buy. But I'm concerned we're not going to see that again because it likes this middle 4,450 number. If we get a retracement into 4,450. You can have a stop loss. It's down here around 44.75. Check your leverage because this is going to, I'm not saying today, but short term, it's going to head to that red line right there, 4,600. I also put my reel out about that, guys. So it's a matter of getting in this, minding your risk and going. 4,600 is a short zone. I'm saying it right here on live, and I've said it on my recorded stuff. Like if you go to my YouTube channel, folks, every weekend I put out a weekend update and I analyze gold's one of them. We will not break this the first attempt. So there's a short opportunity also, right? I don't know how much that retracement is going to be. I don't know if it's 25 points, 50 points, 100 points, or 200 points, but there will be a retracement there. Unless the only thing that happens is when you're at a key resistance point is if we're ready to touch it and then a new catalyst comes out. Nuclear bomb drops, something like that. But under this normal movement, it will not break 4,600 the first time. I've said it here and I've said it recorded lines. So, yeah. If you need help, Sweater, go to my free, guys, I have a free Discord, link in the bio. You can always tag and ask me questions. Yeah, thanks, Outlander. Look forward to having you back. All right, Instagram, let me see what questions you have here. Good morning, everybody. Hey, can we grow this thing? You guys want to help me grow it? Click the share button on your 3 dots. Click share to friends you think would be interested in learning about this and share it out. I'm always at steady numbers, which I do appreciate, guys, but I'd like to grow a little bit. Hopefully I'm helping you reach your goals by giving you this free information. If you could help me reach mine, I would appreciate it. Yeah, like I said earlier, contemplating blue. Niki's in trouble. Look, guys, Japan is in trouble. And we will follow on that Japan carry trade. Do you remember the Japan carry trade that smoked our markets? Yeah. So this is the USD JPY currency pair. This was the drop on the news from Japan right here. And this is a half mass formation. The middle, and this always happens, that high, anchored VL, which happens to be the all-time highs right there, and we've broke below it. So then you measure down. That's the next leg down, guys. Right there. Probably 150. Okay. What that also means, if you fall down a rabbit hole, DXY will also drop. If this drops, DXY, that's your dollar index. Look, I've already measured it for you. Look, how did you measure that, Sean? Well, there's the first leg. There's the second leg. We're going to come down to about 97. Look, I already put it on here for you. If DXY is up, metals are down. Precious metals. DXY is down, metals are up. This is what's going to push gold up. This is why gold is going to run. Not because all of a sudden people think gold is awesome. Gold has been awesome, but this is why. Okay, fair enough. Corey. It's funny. I don't know, Corey. Did you took that trade this morning, bro? What's up, Mohammed? Thanks, man. Hope you're doing well too. Do you think there's chances are high for gold to reach 4,600 before a pullback? Yeah, hopefully I just went over that. And, do I think it's going to hit 4,600 before 4,400? Let me look. Okay, remember, all trading's probabilities, right? Yeah, it's sitting right in the middle. You know, yeah, I think we hit 4,600 before we see 4,400 again. Honestly, even though we're right between them, volume and thesis is too strong. So buying a discount in gold right now is smart, right? But you do have to mind your risk, guys, because it's showing some volatility. I mean, we see this consolidation level. We could come down to 44.16, 44.25 in XAU. Just to confirm that channel and then run it back up this little, I know it's hard to see, guys, this little channel that exists. If I ran volume at price right here, there'd be point of control would be right here. Guarantee it. You don't believe me? Okay. All right. Let it calculate. Hang on. All right. So point of control is at the base or at 4,000. But if I zoomed in on the fractal based on, hang on. I'll show you what I'm talking about. There it is. There's the point of control I talked about. I had to give it different information. So, all right. Anyway, point of control is a white line. Oh, I think you can see it. Instagram. All right. What else we got, guys? Tomorrow I'm doing a free Friday War Room. You're welcome to come trade with me for free, and I'm giving away. Evie, what are we giving away? 3 or 5 accounts. $5,000 accounts, guys. With our relationship with Funded Hive. It's pretty fun. Outlander. I have videos on the Anchored VWAP, but buy Brian Shannon's book off Amazon, The Anchored VWAP. He's the father of that. He's a legend in the CMT industry that I came up in. If you ask me in my free Discord and tag me, I'll send you the link. What do you think of ES cells? Yeah, I like it. I think wasn't it ES that was at the bottom of the box? Yep. Guys, you got a pending sell here. You actually everything's bearish, right? This is the last primary read. You didn't get a primary or secondary. This you can sell this here. Let me look. Yep, that's a mean reversion read. Why? Because it cleared the box. I would take this for 10. So look, guys, this is what it looks like. Sell anywhere between the current price and the key level and run it for 10. Try to get out before open because open may test the VWAP. Widest you can go, like if you buy right like 96, 97, get your stop loss above that VWAP and hunt 10. You need to be inversed here because you need key level protection, market structure protection, VWAP protection. There you go. I don't have my brokerage open, so I can't enter. But that's a trade plan. It's a buy. Call it 96. All right. Keep me honest, Evie. We'll see if this plays out. All right, guys. Let's see. Come trade with me tomorrow for free. Wouldn't be a good time to enter platinum. Let's see. I haven't looked at platinum in a hot minute. It underperformed, and that wasn't exciting for me. Let me zoom out. Guys, I don't know if you saw one of my more recent stories. It costs what it costs to reach your goals. Fucking pay it and stop wishing that it would occur. Right? If you think you're going to be successful sometime, hoping, praying, it's not going to happen. You have to invest in education and leadership. I mean, it's just what it is. So all the metals look the same. They found a base, they consolidated, and then they ran up. So it's the consolidation retest. So probably around 1775-ish And then your overhead resistance is about 125 points above that, 150 points above that. Guys, I love being with you, but I'm out of time. Writer of the book is Brian Shannon. Go tag me in Discord. I'll send you the link, Outlander. All right. I got to bounce, folks. Why? My VIPs are waiting for me. Why don't you come be one of my VIPs? My link is in the bio. We'll do this together, team. Okay? My folks who have been with me for a long time are awesome, and they're successful.